welcome to my channel and welcome to the July's edition of For the Love of Crafting and Sharing. So the theme for this month is hot or heat because of hot summer days. And so I figured that I will use this collection from Simple Stories, which is Summer Farmhouse. I just think it's a really cute collection, but I also wanted to do some heat embossing because heat. So I have a stamp here. I think I'm going to use this circle one right here that kind of has like some flourishes or like some doilies on the outside, and then heat emboss it in maybe gold or red. I don't know yet. So the plan that I have right now is to do a single page layout with these photos right here of my birthday in 2018. The plan right now is going to be a single page. I don't know, it might change, but my thoughts were I'm going to stamp and heat emboss these circles on one of these pieces of paper, like maybe a more subtle print like this one, maybe, I don't know, but I think the red one will look good on the yellow papers as well, and then use that as accents to my single page layout. So that is my plan for right now. If you're new to my channel or you're new to this series, this is a video collaboration that I do with a few YouTube scrapbookers, and we get together once a month. There's a theme for every month, and we post our videos on the 20th of every month, and it's a video hop. So if once you're done looking or watching my video, I encourage you to check out the other ladies, and their links will be in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started with this layout.
All right, so let's get on with the page here. I am just kind of auditioning which kind of background I would like to use, and I end up with this blue dot paper here because I felt like it had a good amount of color and good amount of design, but the design is not, it's subtle, it's not too strong that I will, that it will compete with my photos. I have 6 photos here, and they're all 3x4, and these are just images from my birthday in 2018. Just fun fact, or just an additional fact, this month is my birthday month, and so I thought that I would use those pictures as well. So anyways, I'm trying to audition the background here just a little bit more, and just trying to see. I did like that red one, but I think it was just a little too strong of a color for a background piece. So I'm going to end up with the blue and then the yellow on the backside. I am using the Simple Stories, I think it's called Summer Farmhouse, and it's a fairly new collection, and it has summer vibe to it, so I did use that one. Now with the heat element to this, I've kind of already said that I'm going to use some embossing powder. Now I've slowed down this part of the video a ton because I did not realize that my camera had turned off. So I just wanted you to see how I am going to add my heat embossed embellishments. So I did run my pouch, or my anti-static pouch, onto the pattern paper before I stamped the images, and then I heat embossed that. And then I'm showing you that for my title, I had cut out some banners that was actually part of the, I believe that's like a 2-inch square pattern paper, like a bunch of 2-inch square designs on the pattern paper. I cut out the banners on there, and that spelled fun, and then I added some holes to the top of it to thread some twine, and then I added fun foam on the bottom, or on the back I should say, and then I used some Simple Stories snap stickers, letter stickers to spell birthday, and I put that on a piece of pink paper, and then cut the left and right edges of it into a banner. And then that would be my title, so it will spell birthday fun. Now, the embossed circles, initially I had thought that maybe I can cut them with a circle die cut, but the flourishes of this particular stamp design just called for it to be just hand cut or free cut. So that's what I did there. I did do both red and gold because I couldn't decide. And then I've kind of switched them around. Like I have, because I used a wood grain and a pink cardstock for the papers. And so some of the gold are on the pink, some of the red, just kind of switch them up so that I can layer them and move them around when I needed them. So basically that's my layout. I'm just now kind of adding the accents to it. I layered I kind of, my design was more kind of centered, so I centered the photos and then the journaling. I had a lot to say from this event, and so I put that on a preprint. I pre-printed that on a white cardstock, and then I'm just layering that up, and I really enjoyed making this layout, particularly with the embossing. I'm just kind of a little disappointed with the filming that it didn't film the whole thing, but you can kind of guess how that turned out, especially if you are not new to heat embossing yourself. And so basically that is my layout. I hope that you guys like this video. I encourage you to check out the other ladies that are participating in our yearly or in our monthly blog hop that we're doing this year, and that's what I'm trying to say. They're all talented and we all have our different styles, and that's one of my favorite things about this hop is that we all have different styles, and you can, I even gather inspiration and techniques from all of them, even though I have been scrapbooking for a long time, just because we all have our different takes on the way we scrapbook. And I'm just finishing this off with some enamel dots, and that will do it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. I will have some close-up shots at the end of this, so stay tuned for that. And I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.